So, it's 2 days to go to the grand unveiling on the 1st of July 2026, and it tells you there. There's Remy in it. Hello, Remy! Time to find out what it looks like. So I need maximum elevation here. So this is the Ross Fountain in Princess Street Gardens, Edinburgh, with Edinburgh Castle to the rear. And the recumbent lion for the 20th anniversary of the Scottish Parliament is going to be down there, surrounded by the blue fencing. So that's going to be opened to the public on Wednesday, the 1st of July.